What's up guys, in today's video we're going to be installing our smoked out side markers. Let's just get straight into it. Alright guys, so what we got to do first is we got to unscrew these two screws. There's one right here and there's one right here. Now depending on your car you may have 3 screws, but if you drive a Civic Hatch there should be only 2. There's one right here again and one right here, and that'll allow us to get access to the side marker because right now it's attached to this plastic panel right here. So we got to unscrew these screws to get access to the side marker. Now before I unscrew the screws, one thing I forgot to mention, to make this install easier, make sure you turn in your wheels. That'll allow more space to access and work with the side marker. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew right now. Alright, so this piece right here, this plastic part, is what I was talking about. Once you unscrew it, you should be able to just pull out the plastic part right here, and then that is where we need to get to. You see that orange piece right there? We just need to get like a flathead screwdriver and just push that piece in right there, and it'll allow us to just pull out the side marker easily. So let's just get straight into it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pull out this side marker. Alright, so once you get the piece out, all you gotta do is turn it counterclockwise and just pull it out. There we go. That's the old side marker, ugly as hell. And you just gotta do the steps backward and go ahead and install the smoked out side marker. Oh, also, I got these off of eBay, so they also came with some amber light bulbs. So this is what the amber light bulb looks like that comes with the package when you buy the smoked out side mirrors. So to take out the OEM light bulb, all you gotta do is pull it out gently with a little bit of force. Bam, just like that. And then new amber light bulb, just stick it right in like so, and it's in there, easy. And then we just gotta put in the smoked out side mirror the opposite way that we took out the other one, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, to put back in the side marker, all you gotta do is put in the bulb sideways and turn the side marker clockwise, just like so. You gotta be very careful though, you don't want to scratch your paint when you're doing this. And there we go, it's on there. And then you just go ahead and put it in from the front. Just snap in. Bam, there we go. There we go, nice and snug, flush fitment. And then we just gotta screw back in those screws to the plastic panel right here. And then we're done. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put back the screws. Remember to put this plastic part right here that you pulled out, just slip it right back in, and I'm going to go ahead and do this really quick. And there you have it, smoked out side mirrors. Really easy installment. You just got to do the same thing for the other side. And here's the comparison, man. Smoked out looks way better than this nasty orange. And that's it guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in. If you got any questions, hit me up down in the comments. I'll be sure to help, man. Have a good one, y'all.